Today, Georgie's going to meet some cute cats.
This is Bella.
I wonder if you'll be able to spot the colour of Bella's eyes today.
Georgie bat, coming out to play. Georgie bat, what will he do today?
This is Duke. He is smelling you, Georgie. Oh, have you given Bella some food? She is eating the food. Now Bella is cleaning herself. This is Morpheus. He is resting with you, Georgie. Can you hear that noise? Morpheus is purring. Bella is watching the toy. She is playing with the toy. Bella is sleeping now. What are you doing, Georgie? No, you don't bother cats when they are sleeping. Cats sometimes hide. Duke is hiding in the bushes.
Can you see Bella's eyes? She has got one blue eye and one yellow eye. She has 4 paws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a tail. She has got lots of white fur and a pink nose. Oh, what noise are the cats making? That's right, meow. Georgie had fun meeting the cute cats today. I wonder if you'll meet any animals today. Bye.
Georgie bat, coming out to play. Georgie bat, what will he do today?